I have a lot of modifications that need to be installed. I haven't done a modification install in a while, so I'm going to start off easy with the JDM clear side markers. But first, this thing has to get washed. The last time that this got washed was when Eddie and I ceramic coated it. Well, mostly Eddie. After all that is done, I am going to unbox my Varus parts for you guys. And I'm pretty sure I'll have to get those paint matched. So, we'll find out when we open it up. Vivian and I took a trip to the county recycling center this morning. I took the Type R and she took her Jeep, obviously. We had them both completely full of like our cardboard moving boxes, all the packing paper and stuff like that. And we still have all this stuff.
Very relaxing.
We had a lawn care company come cut our grass and lay down a bunch of fertilizer and grass seed and stuff like that. Which, after they came, I realized that we definitely could have done that ourselves because they were here for maybe an hour, 15 minutes, and it was very easy. But I just wanted to get it done. The grass was overgrowing, so anyway, I say all of that because that is why Vivian is watering. Well, you're supposed to be watering the grass, but she's just having a blast. So she's watering everything. She's gonna start watering the house. She's gonna go water the neighbor's grass. She's having a great time. So I've decided the next big thing I'm going to save up for with my YouTube revenue is actually expanding the garage. So I've seen, I'll show you guys sometime, but one of the neighbors down the street, they have the same exact style house as ours. So it's just a 2-car garage, like 4-bedroom house, whatever, 1 story. Right here, they have like another concrete slab just going like that. And it turns it into a 3-car garage. Like the driveway would come right up to meet that line where those stone pieces are. And then on this side, to make it just a little more wide, they would take out this like gross stuff, which Vivian and I are going to take out anyway. And then they would just put like another, what's that, like 18 inches worth of stone. So you could properly fit 3 cars, because they call this a 2-car garage, but that's pushing it, in my opinion. That was hilarious. Do you know I was filming? You did? I told Vivian to come hang out here with me. So she brought her chair, string cheese, and Charlie. And then I pulled out the leaf blower, and she was like, "What is that?" And then I immediately turned it on, and it's really loud. And the look on her face, that was really funny. Anyway, guys, unless, you know, you've been living under a rock, you know that I like to use a leaf blower. It gives me peace of mind, because I'm not, like, dragging microfiber towels along the surface of the car. Even though microfiber towels are, you know, pretty safe. Anything I can do to lessen scratching on this car, I will gladly do. The ceramic coating that Eddie put on this is incredible. That took me about 10 minutes less to blow dry this car than it does the Type R. And the Type R is also ceramic coated, obviously, but that, actually, holy crap, that's like 8 or 9 months ago now? Anyway, this took just under 5 minutes to blow dry the whole entire car, and it's basically spotless. I'm gonna pull her into the garage.
Aww. So I have to move?
No.
is.
Maybe a little bit. Just like a foot.
It's fine, just run me over.
I mean, there's really no reason I need to put it in the garage.
What if it rains?
I'll just get it in before then.
How will you know if it rains?
I just do the install out here. Thanks, babe.
Made me move.
Alright, so let's get started. Now we have these 3 little clips here, and these are the type of clips that all you do to get them loose is you press in. So I pushed in on this one and this one already just to make sure I know what I'm doing. This one I'll show you what it's like. I'm just going to use a flathead screwdriver and kind of... There we go. Wow, okay, I can just pull them out with my finger. Just like that. And you know what's weird? This one right here is already broken. That sucks. Let's see how stiff this material is. Oh, it's not bad at all. I believe, yep. Let me try to show you guys this. In there, see where my middle finger is pointing at? That is I believe it's a 10 or 12 millimeter bolt that you're gonna have to unscrew. You look like you're about to die of boredom. Let's bring my wife to work day. Wait, is that tightening it? I can't tell. Oh, nope. Could probably use my fingers at this point, yep. There's our little bolt, and it was a 10 millimeter, by the way. Next, it looks like we have a little connector here that we have to unplug for the light bulb. How in the heck do I pull this out? Oh, there we go. You see that little triangle thing right there, that pointy thing? There's another one down here on the bottom that I just depressed. So on the bottom one, you're gonna pull up to depress it. And on this top one, it looks like you're gonna push down to depress it. Oh, come on, bud, you're almost there. Here we go. Here is our stock side marker. So the side markers came in 2 little boxes like this, and it's pretty cool because this is actually Subaru OEM. So Subaru genuine parts. So we know it's going to be good quality already. Cue the memes.
You can't see me in the background, right?
Not at all.
Fire.
Yeah, it's pointed right at you, babe. It's okay. It's okay. Look, I'm sitting right here. Okay. You're not allowed to see Vivian. She's not in the mood to be on YouTube right now. Here is the big reveal. Looks exactly the same. Feels very nice. I get very intrigued by the smallest things, so I think this is really cool. One of the complaints that some people have about these JDM side markers is that they still have an orange bulb. Eventually I can do something about that, but for right now it's just gonna be like that. And it says something on here, I don't know if you guys can pick that up. Tokidenso. Maybe that's a manufacturing facility? So this is a quick install, man. Oh wait, that's the wrong side. Here we go. Those are awesome clicks. Fantastic clicks. Good job, Subaru. I'm just gonna thread this little bolt back on. Give it about half a turn on this bad boy, because that's all I gave it to take it off. Okay. I'm gonna put these clips back on, do the other side, and then we'll see how it looks. Oh crap. Wait a minute. How do these little clips work? Oh, I think I have to... Oh, okay, so you press it back down. There. These are great clips. So guess what? Bad news. That Bonneville that I showed you guys a couple videos ago that I really wanted to buy, it ended up selling at auction today for $4,900. Yeah. So I guess I am a little out of touch with the pricing on those Bonnevilles. Oh my god, you know what I forgot to do on the other side? I forgot to click in the light bulb. Now I gotta take these out again. Well, not this one, I just did this side. Every single time I install something. Oh, damn it, I just washed this thing.
I told you.
Babe, can you film me? I gotta pull this in real quick. Oh, frickin' A. You gotta be shitting me.
Pardon? Maybe.
You like the rain?
Yeah.
I didn't know you liked the rain.
Just kidding.
Stop it. I know you like cheeseburgers. Okay, if you think I'm going out in this weather to get a cheeseburger?
Babe, it's just down the street.
I don't know, guys. What do you think? Oh, let's take a look at those hydrophobic properties on that Type R. I think it needs a refresh. Yeah, okay. Now I can see why people are complaining about that. That definitely needs a different color bulb. Maybe even some tint. Like I could probably wrap that in a 25 or 50% wrap, or I don't know. I don't really know what I'm talking about. But if you guys know what I mean, then that's good enough, right? Alright, well. Doesn't really look any cooler than it did before because the light is still orange. It'll look cooler during the day though when the lights are off, right? Yeah, baby. That was my very first experience of Florida's temperamental weather. Honestly, it was pretty fun. Like, I didn't know I enjoyed the rain as much as I just did. I guess it's different when it's like humid all the time. Maybe that conditions you better for handling the rain. Or maybe, like usual, I have no idea what I'm talking about and you guys all think I'm just stupid. I just went and picked up some Culvers for me and Vivian. Oh, man. Dude, I can't wait to boost the BRZ. That thing's gonna be bonkers. Love me some David Lee Roth. I came across a picture on my Instagram today of, it must have still been a Datsun 280Z, but it wasn't the more round version like what Dustin Williams has. It was the more like square version. So maybe that's the early 300ZX? Dude, I totally forgot that is a car that I have always wanted. Oh my god. You guys are gonna have to talk, now that I remember this, you guys are gonna have to talk me out of getting that as my next project car. Otherwise I'll do it. Otherwise that will be the third car in the stable. And then obviously I'll have the Bonneville too, but you guys won't really see much of that. Unless you want to. Oh. It is now 6:03 p.m. on Wednesday. You guys will be seeing this in about an hour. I'm going to pull the BRZ out, and I'm just going to do a couple pretty moderate drive-bys along the street. The reason for that is I want to test out a bunch of mics. Right now I'm using my Shure MV88 microphone. I'm also going to try out the Movo VXR10, and also this one. I haven't used this one in a very, very long time, like over a year. And then the last one I'll do is just with the iPhone speaker so you guys can hear the differences between all those. And no, this doesn't have anything to do with the side markers, but I just want to. I already know which one I think sounds best, but let me know what you guys think. Also, I really want to do that driveway upgrade sooner rather than later. But here is how the car looks. I really like it. I actually love it because it matches the color of this, like the outline on the headlights. Also, there's a little BRZ there in the headlight. That just looks so good. It's clean. And holy crap, my coilovers are sitting in the house. And also, yesterday I purchased my wheels from Fitment Industries. They are getting here on Friday. So as soon as I get the coilovers on, I'm gonna call up a local tire shop, get the tires ordered, and then have the wheels and tires installed. It's all gonna come together really, really quick. If you guys watched my live stream a couple days ago, I did tell you that I'm feeling really behind with, honestly, with both of my builds. So next video, I'll probably install the charge pipes on the Type R and then unbox the Verus stuff. And I'll have to bring that to a shop to get them paint matched. That's all I have for this one. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in a couple days.